The Access Tool Car Opening Manual is unlike any other in the industry. The manual features every vehicle from passenger cars to heavy trucks and semis from present day back to 1979. With detailed instructions, diagrams, and pictures to aid the opening, each lockout is researched and tested extensively for accuracy. The Car Opening Manual features a tool ID system that makes identifying the proper tool quick and easy. This large manual is updated yearly, allowing for the latest vehicles to be added. Also available on CD-ROM and in digital cloud-based format, accessible from mobile devices with internet access. With the help of Access Tools Car Opening Manual, you will become faster and more effective at performing lockouts, which means more money in your pocket.